Danish Technological Institute, or DTI for short, is among the 2 largest RTOs in Denmark. We work with everything from material science to environmental optimizations to robotics and food industry. I'm right now standing in one of our centers. This is our Additive Manufacturing Center, or Center for Industrial 3D Printing. Here we have a full production line, spanning everything from design optimization to production and final qualification. We help the Danish and European industry transition into industrial additive manufacturing. And in the cases where the entry barrier is too high for the customers, we help with final production. Furthermore, we run a high number of research projects with the goal of pushing the boundaries of additive manufacturing. DTI is the project coordinator of Roliak. That means we have the role of the overall steering of the project. It is our responsibility that the consortium as a whole adheres to the milestones and outcomes projected within the project outline. Furthermore, we are responsible for ensuring a high quality output of the project and documentation. We are also a technical lead in the project. Here we are focusing on advanced design optimizations through the use of topology optimization, lattice structures and new materials. At DTI, we work towards an implementation of new technology in the industry. It is our role to ensure that companies have the right prerequisites for implementing the new technologies. The potential of applying additive manufacturing in the defense segment is huge. Therefore, we are motivated to help push towards a faster implementation in the defense industry. In addition, we are looking forward to helping the European Ministries of Defense seeing how additive manufacturing may improve their capabilities. This video is the first of a series of partner presentations in Roliak. We hope you will follow along to see the presentations for the remaining 9 partners.